So here are the items we decided to take on our trip to Siesta Key. First, you can see that we brought some sodas and also some waters, and of course I had some tanning lotion, but we also had bread and cheese, 4 sandwiches, some cookies, and then you can also see we had ham and chicken to go on our sandwiches. We had some potato chips. We'll get to those napkins in just a little bit, but we had oranges to go in our adult beverages or just to eat, and then also Spark to help us get through the day. We'll get to this paper towel in just a little bit, but then we packed everything in our cooler, which this was a brand new cooler. It was the first time we took it to the beach, and it pulled across the sand so easily. We were very happy with our new cooler. And so we put some ice packs in there instead of having regular ice in there so that it didn't melt and get really heavy. And the stuff that we wanted cooler, we kept at the bottom. And then the stuff that didn't really need to be kept cool, we put on top. And so now you can see our Coleman cooler.
Alright, you guys, I wish that I could take credit for this one. This one was actually my mom's idea. She took some paper towels and put them in this baggie with some dishwasher soap or antibacterial soap and a little bit of water, because whenever you get off the beach, normally you want to go eat somewhere, and so you want to clean up. Even if there are the showers on the beach, you're still going to have some stain on you. You're still going to be pretty gross from the beach, and so this will help you clean up. And then also she put in a baggie some dry ones so then you can dry off after you clean up. I thought it was a great idea to do before we go to dinner tonight.
But I don't know why. Excuse me while I do very superstitious.